Hello, today we will talk about the flagship line of Sony TVs, Sony Bravia 9 series. These are advanced TVs that have amazing picture quality, powerful sound, and smart functions. Sony Bravia 9 is a 4K TV using OLED or QLED matrices, depending on the model, which provides unrivaled picture quality. Thanks to Triluminos technology, the display reproduces incredibly realistic and vivid colors. Each shade is transmitted with maximum accuracy, which is especially noticeable in scenes with a rich color palette and high detail. Bravia 9 TVs are equipped with a powerful cognitive processor XR, which is able to analyze the image and sound, bringing the picture closer to how the human eye sees it. This technology makes the picture more realistic and detailed. The processor improves image quality by optimizing brightness, contrast, and depth. Sony Bravia 9 is equipped with acoustic surface audio technology, which turns the entire screen into a speaker. This means that the sound comes directly from the image, creating a completely immersive effect. Additional subwoofers and Dolby Atmos support add depth and volume to the sound, which will be especially appreciated by movie and music lovers. The TVs are based on the Google TV operating system, which gives access to thousands of applications and services, such as YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and others. The built-in Google Assistant allows you to control the TV with your voice, search for information, and even control your smart home. Sony Bravia 9 also supports Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, which provides convenient integration with iOS devices. The Sony Bravia 9 will fit perfectly into any interior. Its ultra-thin frames are almost invisible, and the screen seems to float in the air. The back panel is made of high-quality materials, and the minimalist stand provides stability and elegance. The Sony Bravia 9 supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz and VRR, which makes it an excellent choice for gamers. HDMI 2.1 input provides smooth gameplay and minimal input lag, which is especially important for dynamic games. ALLM support allows the TV to automatically turn on the game mode when the console is connected. Sony Bravia 9 is the perfect choice for those who value premium picture quality, powerful sound, and advanced technology. This TV is designed to give you the best quality and unique features. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss our next reviews. Thank you all for watching.